Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the VPN sign on iPhone. Let's get started. Before we dive in, if you're looking for a reliable, hassle-free VPN that just works without any complicated setups, I highly recommend NordVPN. It offers a simple subscription with incredibly fast speeds, top-tier security, and works seamlessly for streaming and browsing. Try it for 30 days using the link below. Many iPhone users find themselves wondering how to get rid of that VPN symbol in the status bar. The truth is, on iOS, this icon is a core part of the system's design to show an active, secure connection. Unlike some other systems, Apple doesn't provide an option to hide just the icon itself. The only way to make the VPN symbol disappear is to fully disconnect from the VPN server. Here's exactly how to do that. First, open your Settings app. It's the gray icon with gears on your home screen. Scroll down a little until you see the option that says VPN. Tap on it to open the VPN settings. On this screen, you'll see the status of your VPN connection. Right next to the statuses indicator, you will find a toggle switch. This switch is currently green, which means your VPN is connected and active. To disconnect and remove the icon, simply tap this switch. It will turn gray. The moment you do this, look up at the top left of your screen. You will see the VPN icon instantly vanish from your status bar. While you can't use a VPN on an iPhone without the icon appearing, using a high-quality service ensures that the connection is worth the notification. For a seamless and ultra-reliable experience, I consistently recommend NordVPN. It offers incredibly fast connection speeds, which means you'll hardly notice it's running, and top-tier security to keep your data safe whether you're browsing on public Wi-Fi or at home. It's a fantastic set-and-forget solution for your privacy.